How to use coins on Aliexpress. Hello and welcome to our channel Web Quiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use coins on Aliexpress. It's quite simple, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Don't forget that you're going to be able to find the sign up link and website link of Aliexpress in the description of this video in case you need it. So here in our app, basically at the bottom you have 4 different options. I'm going into account, and if you scroll down you're gonna find the option to sign in into your account. Once you have done that, here in the option payments and discounts you have cards, coupons and coins. I'm going into coins, and there you're gonna be able to know how to collect your coins and how to, okay, this is almost like an ad. I'm going to make the exit from this. I can't. Okay. This is with a little box, but no worries. So basically you can earn some coins just by going into your daily check-in. Okay, so as you can see, if this is my day 1, so I'm going to collect 20 coins, and if I go until day 6 I'm gonna collect 70 coins and so more, and by now I have 40 coins. On top of it, this is like worth of the US dollar around 40 cents, and in my local currency there is a price too. And there is an option if you scroll down to know how to use your coins for discounts. So for instance, in this remote mini TV stick Android, there is the extra 50% off discount with some coins, okay? Or for some sneakers, some shirts, okay? There are different articles that you're gonna find, but these articles are just in this section, as I showed you previously in your account. So let's suppose I'm interested in these earphones, and there is the price and the discount that I'm gonna receive with coin, extra 25 off with coins. Let me check. In exchange just for my 40 coins. Perhaps if I have more, the discount is gonna be higher, but if you are happy with this, you can just click on buy now and the discount is gonna be used. And that's it. That's how you can earn coins and also make some shopping with the same coins and to get some discounts. So this is it. This is how to use coins on AliExpress. Thanks for watching.